Alright, here we are, everybody. Roughly 5 hours later since I started the seat. It took a ton of work, but there it is in all its glory. Still got to put a cover on the side, but I'm waiting for the lever to dry that I made to make it fold. You can release the handles just like the old seat, and you can take the whole seat out. You can fold the seat down and it'll fold flat just like it does in a stow and go. It's got dual armrests, so has all its functions. I dropped the thing 4 inches and I slid it back about 3 inches, so I really chopped that seat up. And this is the point right here where I changed it. This bracket is 3 inches ahead on here and 4 inches lower than it's supposed to be. But that's what we did to get them seats to fit right. Talk to you guys later. Thanks. Bye.